Happy Mother's Day to all of you po. Thank you for everything. You guys are appreciated. Mahal ko kayo.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Happy Mother's Day to everyone, especially to my mother. I'm grateful for taking care of all of us. I love you all and thank you so much.
Happy Mother's Day to all, especially to nanay. To nanay, alam ko naman po minsan nagsasawa ka na sa akin, sa amin ni Kuya Joel. Thank you sa paggabay niyo po sa amin palagi. Sana hindi ka sumuko sa amin. I'm so sorry sa mga nakaraan ko. Ma-promise, babawi ako. At ayusin ko ngayon pag-aaral ko ngayon grade 9. Bigyan mo po ako ng chance para bumawi. Matigas man po ulo ko. Pangako po sa'yo magtatapos ako ng pag-aaral. Thank you sa sakripisyo niyo po sa amin magkapatid, ma. Pasensya ka na, lagi kami nag-aaway pero kami pa din magkakampihan hanggang dulo. I love you, ma. Mahal kita palagi. To Mama Ake, Abos, Tita Mikay, Tita Ineng, Tita Nina, Tita Ann, Mami. Alam ko po minsan napapasuko ko po kayo sa ugali ko. Pero pangako, dadating yung panahon, lahat ng sakripisyo at pag-intindi nyo sa akin, babalik ko po yun. I'm so sorry sa mga ginagawa kong pagkakamali. Naiintindihan ko po ba't kayo galit minsan sa akin. Alam ko naman po para sa akin yun. Bigyan niyo po ako ng chance para makabawi pa ako ngayong taon na to. Magbabago na ako. Thankful ako sa inyo kasi kahit anong meron akong ugali, kaya niyo pa rin po akong intindihin. Kahit minsan palaban ako, maldita ako, hindi ko mapudama yung pagmamahal sa magulang ko. Pero sa inyo po sobrang binigay niyo pagmamahal sa akin. Very thank you po sa inyo. I love you all. Mahal ko kayo. Thank you. Kayo yung tumayong magulang para sa aming magkapatid. Happy Mother's Day sa inyong lahat.
Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Thank you for all of the things that you've done. I love you po.
Happy Mother's Day po. Thank you po. Love you po. Ingat po lagi.
Happy Mother's Day po.
Ulitin mo.
USA.
Nanay.
Nanay USA.
Mahawake, Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Love you all. I love you all.
Hi, Ma. Happy Mother's Day. Ang wish ko for you ay sana wag na wag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo at palagi kang mag-iingat. You always look at the good side of people. Yes, you may still look at their bad side. Pero sana, don't let that thing eat you into thinking that they are a bad person. Sana, palagi mo rin piliin na umintindi. Kahit alam kong minsan nakakapagod ang palaging umiintindi. Pero sana, alam mo rin na soon, darating yung taong handang umintindi sa'yo, hindi magsasawang umintindi sa'yo, gaya ko, ni Demden, ni Papa, soon, pati na rin si Baby. Sana pangalan na lang din ni Baby ay Atasha, para tunog Gen Z. Sana rin huwag kayong magsawa ni Papa kakaawat sa aming mag-away, kasi kami, wala kaming balak tumigil kakaaway. Joke lang. Kala Tita Ninya, Mama Ke, kala Abos, Tita Mikay, Mami, Tita Ineng, Tita Ambi, Tata, lalong-lalo na kay Nanay. Same wishes. Sana lagi rin kayong mag-iingat, wag na wag niyong pababayaan ng sarili nyo. At wish ko din para sa ating lahat ay more blessing to come, or blessings perhaps. At alam ko naman na deserve nating lahat yun. At sa right time ni God, alam kong bibigay niya sa atin yun. At yun lang, ngayong araw, deserve nyo mag-enjoy dahil itong araw na to ay para sa inyo. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to each and every one of you. I know being a mother to all of us is not easy and it gets more harder kapag hindi kami nakikinig. Although, you guys chose to be the people who never gets tired of understanding and giving us lots of your patience and love. To all of my titas, thank you for looking after me, Amara, Therese, and of course sa iba pang pinsan. More patience to come. And I know kayo lang din naman ang makakatiis sa amin every time na wala yung mga parents namin around us. It must have been so hard for you guys as we cannot see all of your silent battles and sacrifices. Yet you choose to live and to be with us every day. Even the word thank you is not measurable to all of the things that you've done. Sana bilang kayo na magkakapatid din, I hope you'll find each other as your kakampi in life. Avoid fighting and just continue sharing all of the love that God has given us. Being selfish is not bad. Sometimes it also helps us to grow. For my mommy, you've always been that person who doesn't say anything. Kapag galit, tahimik lang. Kapag iiyak, tahimik lang. Kapag may nararamdaman, tahimik lang din. And I hope you'll cut off that coping mechanism of yours. Because you have us. With your ate, your siblings, of course your other half, that is willing to support you and to comfort you. I've always asked God to forgive me as I cannot fulfill any of my dreams for you yet. Well, when the right time comes, I know He will surely make it happen for us, Mommy. To Nanay, thank you for your help, time, patience, and the love that you shower us every day. I'll continue reaching my dreams so that you'll have your very own private doctor, the ones who will console you that you don't need any money para i-console ka nila. The ones who will help you rise up until we all reach our dreams. Ma, thank you for looking after us. I know God gave you to us para i-guide mo kami, ipagluto and all. And we all love you for that. I hope you'll enjoy this day as it is celebrated for all of you. Hindi nyo muna kami kailangang isipin dahil araw nyo to. Kami na muna ang bahala sa mga kapatid namin. Pero, drink responsibly. Don't drink too much as well. Pray to God and I know He'll give you all of the wishes that you ask Him. I hope you'll enjoy this day and make it your own fun day. Happy Mother's Day!